think obviously the story I would tell is the story of the people. I think Croatians are passionate, complicated, but they care, they're loving, and I think that if I had that assignment, without question, based on my experience of telling stories through people, I think for a couple of reasons that's the direction to go in. You can make a story about anything. Can you make a good story about anything? That's a different question. I think to pick a story that will be a good story to tell, you have to have a little bit of patience and do a little bit of research. So right now, it's September. We have the Super Bowl in February. So the football season has begun already. We're in week 3 of the football season. We have a few months until the Super Bowl, so during the football season I'll be working on games as we go.